Hello and welcome back to the garage, guys. Today I just wanted to give you a quick update on how the MGA project is going. This is the car, what it looks like so far. Check it out. It's all primed and blocked. Needs another coat of primer and then it'll be ready to paint, guys. So this is the 1957 MGA Roadster. It's got the 1500cc straight 4-cylinder motor in it. One of the things we're going to actually do to this next is pull the motor out of this car and build it. But that's where I kind of need your guys' help. So first, if you're new to the garage and you like this content, feel free to give us a subscribe, a like if you want to see more of it. Let's get started, guys. All right, guys, so here's the problem that I need your help with. So we're going to have to pull this motor. It has low compression on cylinder number 4, which means something's wrong. I'm not really sure what it is yet. I haven't gotten a chance to pull it out. So we want to make it faster. And the only thing that I've found on these cars is that you can cam them, you can buy a supercharger, or you can put a new intake, manifold, and carburetor system on them. So the carburetor system's good. The cam is good, but the supercharger is just not an option. It's $5,000, and at that point, it would honestly just be worth it to swap it out with a Rover V8 instead. Do that, build that engine. So I need some help from you guys. Let me know what you guys have done to your MGs in the comments, because I genuinely am kind of at a loss for getting more power than about 85 horsepower on top of the original 72 horsepower just with those components. I want to make it a little bit speedier. One of the other things we're considering doing is putting a Miata transmission here. You can see it has the stock 4-speed transmission, but they make a Miata conversion kit, and lucky for us, my sister just totaled her Miata a few months ago, leaving us with a perfectly good 5-speed transmission outside. So that's what I'm in need of assistance with right now, guys. I have also got a wiring harness for this thing, and I am not excited to do that because it comes with no schematic in the box. They just charge you the money for the harness and then kind of set you loose, hoping that you know where everything goes. So if you guys have any attachments for a wiring harness schematic and where things go, or you know a website that's good for that, I'd love to have that just so I know exactly what I'm doing, because I know I'm going to be the one that has to do it. As you can see, guys, the body on this car is in excellent condition. Old man Paul has done amazing work with it, getting it to look how it is now. Just needs that primer coat, and then she is ready to paint. This front fender up here was completely smashed. It was spot welded in along here, cracked. There were holes in it, and him being the amazing body man he is, as you can see, got this thing completely straightened out, which is really incredible, honestly. So we're going to do an off-white cream color for the exterior, which is close to the original color with a little more spice. And on the inside, seats will be red. Dash will have a, I believe, balsa wood finish on it, which I think will look absolutely stunning. It does have low compression in one of the cylinders, and that's why we're going to pull the motor, rebuild everything, get a little souped up, a little more power, maybe make it a little bit more radical so we can get a little bit more speed out of this car. But right now, what we're finishing up first is the body work. Then once the engine's out, we'll move on to the wiring harness. All right, guys, that's been the 1957 MGA Roadster. I hope you guys enjoy this content. I hope you like the little update with our one project car we have going right now. If you do like this content, feel free to subscribe. We'd love to have you follow us along on this journey. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time back here at the garage.